First high wind warning.
For the following areas in New Jersey: Hudson, Eastern Bergen, Western Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens and Southern Nassau. High wind warning in effect from midnight tonight to 2 p.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued high wind warning, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 2 p.m. Sunday. The wind advisory is no longer in effect. Locations: New York City, portions of northeast New Jersey, Nassau County. Hazards: strong winds. Winds northwest 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 Sunday afternoon. Impacts: driving high-profile vehicles will be difficult, especially on elevated roadways and bridges. Blowing snow may reduce visibilities to near zero at times, even after new snow has stopped falling. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. The marine forecast.